Welcome to English with Teacher Mark. Today's lesson is Mastering Comparisons with Adjectives and Adverbs. Objective 1. Understand the comparative and superlative forms of adjectives and adverbs. Learn how to make comparisons using adjectives and adverbs correctly. Introduction. Comparisons are essential in everyday communication to express differences in qualities or degrees. Adjectives and adverbs play a crucial role in these comparisons, allowing us to describe and compare people, objects, or actions. In this lesson, we will delve into the rules and usage of comparative and superlative forms of adjectives and adverbs. Comparative forms. Adjectives 1. To form the comparative degree of adjectives, add "er" to the end of short adjectives, e.g., tall becomes taller, or use more before longer adjectives, e.g., beautiful becomes more beautiful. Examples. The elephant is larger than the lion. She is more intelligent than her sister. Adverbs 1. For adverbs, add "er" to the end of short adverbs, e.g., fast becomes faster, or use more before longer adverbs, e.g., quickly becomes more quickly. Examples. He runs faster than his friend. She speaks more fluently than her classmates. Superlative forms. Adjectives 1. To form the superlative degree of adjectives, add "est" to the end of short adjectives, e.g., tall becomes tallest, or use most before longer adjectives, e.g., beautiful becomes most beautiful. Examples. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. She is the most talented singer in the choir. Adverbs 1. For adverbs, add "est" to the end of short adverbs, e.g., fast becomes fastest, or use most before longer adverbs, e.g., quickly becomes most quickly. Examples. He runs the fastest among all the athletes. She learns the most quickly in her class. Comparing unequal quantities. When comparing unequal quantities, use more or less, followed by than with both adjectives and adverbs. Examples. She has more books than her brother. He spends less time studying than his friend. Practice exercises. Choose the correct form of the adjective or adverb to complete the sentence. A. This is hottest coffee I've ever had. She sings more beautifully, most beautifully than anyone else. C. He solved the problem, quickest of all. D. My dog is fastest than yours. That was most interesting movie I've seen all year. Write 5 sentences comparing people, objects, or actions using both adjectives and adverbs in their comparative and superlative forms. Conclusion. Mastering comparisons with adjectives and adverbs allows us to express differences in qualities and degrees accurately. By understanding the rules and practicing their usage, you can communicate more effectively and vividly in both spoken and written English. Keep practicing to solidify your understanding of these concepts.